Hello friends, now we are going to discuss about the thermal properties of nanomaterial. These are also size dependent properties. The thermal properties of nanomaterial, recent advances experiment have they shown that certain nanomaterial have extraordinarily thermal properties as compared to their microscopic counterparts. This is because in the nanocrystalline size will decreases as the surface energy increases, hence the melting point decreases. This is due to the surface atoms requires less energy to move because they are in contact with fewer atoms of the substance. In the bulk state, the more atoms is in contact with more number of atoms, hence the surface atoms will require larger energy to move from the surface. Hence the energy requirement in order to melt is higher. Because of that, in the bulk state, melting point will be the higher. As the size will be decreases, melting point will also decreases. For example, cadmium selenide at 3 nanometer scale, it will shows the melting point 700 Kelvin. When same cadmium selenide having the size of in the bulk, it will shows the melting point at 1678 Kelvin, so that as the size decreases, the melting point of nanomaterial will also decreases. Next, we are going to discuss about the electrical properties of nanomaterial. In the bulk material, conduction of electron is delocalized. That is, the electron can move freely in all directions. When the scale is reduced into the nanoscale, that time electron confinement effect will dominate. For zero dimension nanomaterial, all the dimensions are at the nanoscale. Hence, the electrons are confined in the 3D space. Therefore, no electron delocalization is observed. For one dimension material, electron confinement occurs in 2D space, and hence electron delocalization takes place along with the axis of nanorods, nanotubes and nanowire. Due to electron confinement, the energy band are replaced by the discrete energy state, which make the conducting material behaves like their semiconductor or insulator. The electronic band in bulk material are continuous due to overlapping of orbitals of billions of atoms. But in nano-size material, very few atoms or molecules are present, so the electronic band becomes separate, and the separation between different electronic state varies with the size of nanomaterial. Hence, some metal which are good conductors in bulk becomes semiconductor and insulator as their size will decrease due to nano scale. The reduction in the characteristic dimension below the critical size would result in the change of electronic structure, leading winding and discrete band gap. A change generally would result in the reduced electrical conductivity. Some metal nanowires may undergo transition to become the semiconducting as their diameter are reduced to below certain values, and some semiconductor nanowire may become insulator in the nano size.